living in a rental and want to make your kitchen more sustainable. It's way easier than you think, and you won't even need a toolbox. Let's dive into 5 simple, renter-friendly hacks to green up your space. First up, let's talk about paper towels. We all use them, but the waste really adds up. My first hack is a super simple swap: reusable dishcloths. I switched to these amazing Swedish dishcloths. They're absorbent, durable, and you can just toss them in the wash. One of these can replace rolls and rolls of paper towels. It's a small change that makes a huge difference for your wallet and the planet. Plus, they come in so many cute designs. Next, let's tackle that cluttered spice cabinet. If you're like me, you've got bottles falling out every time you open the door. Hack number 2 is magnetic spice jars. These are a game changer. They stick right onto your fridge, freeing up valuable counter or cabinet space. It looks so organized and modern, and you can see exactly what you have. No drilling, no holes, no angry landlord. Just pure, organized, eco-friendly bliss, too. Okay, let's talk about food waste. Did you know a huge amount of landfill waste is just food scraps? Hack number 3 is your new best friend, a countertop compost bin. It's small, it's stylish, and most importantly, it keeps your food scraps out of the trash. I just pop in my veggie peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Most bins have a charcoal filter, so you don't have to worry about any smells. When it's full, you can take it to a local composting facility or maybe even a community garden. Now for a little kitchen glow-up that's also eco-friendly. Hack number 4 is all about refillable soap bottles. Instead of buying a new plastic bottle every time you run out of dish soap or hand soap, invest in a beautiful reusable set. I love my glass dispensers. They instantly make the sink area look more aesthetic and put together. You can buy soap in bulk or from a local refill store, which cuts down on so much plastic packaging and often saves you money in the long run. Finally, let's brighten things up. Struggling to see what's in the back of your dark cabinets or pantry? My 5th and final hack is stick-on LED motion sensor lights. These are brilliant. You just peel and stick them wherever you need. A little extra light. They pop on automatically when they sense motion and turn off on their own, saving energy. It feels so luxurious, and it's a perfect solution when you can't install permanent lighting. So, there you have it. 5 easy, no tools required hacks to make your rental kitchen more sustainable and stylish. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved these tips and want more simple ways to live a greener life, make sure you subscribe to Starter Sustainable Living Hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.